Hello there, Andrew Rondo here from WeBuildYourBlog.com. A few weeks ago, I was invited by Pawan of Max Blog Press to test his brand new plugin called Subscribers Magnet. Now, first of all, let me tell you what Subscribers Magnet is. It's a WordPress plugin, and the claim is from the owner, from Pawan, is that it's going to rapidly build your customer list because it allows you to have the option to add lots of opt-in forms and ways for your visitors and customers to opt in and subscribe to your list all over your blog. So for instance, this is my blog here, you can see on the screen I've used the plugin to build this opt-in here. So there's an opt-in here on my sidebar, on my widget, and if I click on a blog post, for instance this one here, then what will happen is that you'll see at the bottom of the blog post there's another option to fill in and complete. So there it is there. So right at the bottom of the blog post you get another opportunity to complete my opt-in and get your free guide. If I come down further past all the different comments, you'll also see that you've got this box here saying check the box to receive my free multimedia blogging guide, and that's made by the plugin as well. And there's lots of other things as well which the plugin does. You can get a footer pop-ups where a little pop-up comes up at the bottom and invites the customer to put their opt-in details to get your free guide or subscribe to your newsletter or subscribe to your RSS, whatever you want. And you can say only display it once or every day or all the time, or lots of different options on that. You also can get a pop-up where you physically get a pop-up over your blog after a certain period of time and it can be displayed. And you can also send automatic and highly personalized thank you messages by email to the person when they first write a comment. So if they write a comment on your blog, then you can set it up so that it will automatically send them a welcome and thank you email which says thanks for, or whatever you want to say, but thanks for commenting on my blog, blah 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 blah. By the way, why don't you sign up and get my free guide or subscribe to my RSS link, or whatever you want to do. Now, what it is you have complete control over the look and the feel and location and functionality of all the different opt-ins, and the plugin works with Aweber, GetResponse and all the other major autoresponders available. And the other good thing about it is that you actually get a unique tracking code. So when someone opts in, you get an email and it tells you where they've opted in from. So if they've opted in from this checkbox here, I know. If they've opted in from the sidebar over here, it's a different message I get. And if they opt in from this box here, then it's a different message. So you can track where people are opting in from, and from that you can put some more effort into possibly other areas which aren't opting in so well, or maybe putting more effort into where they are opting in, and maybe just tweaking a little bit more so you get more opt-ins and you can see where people are opting in from. So it's really good as well. So let me just very quickly show you the insides of the plugin, because it's not live yet, you can't buy it, but Pawan let me and obviously a few others to have a look, and which is very nice of him. So this is the actual plugin once you put it live. So you basically say which sort of form service are you using, so which email provider you're using. So I use Aweber, so you can see here's a great big long list of all the different ones which are available. So you've got Aweber, FreeAutoBot, GetResponse, One Shopping Cart, etc, etc. So there's a few there. Then basically you have to tell it what list you're using or what list you want them to opt into. So it's nice and easy. So you just pick up your list from Aweber or whatever it is and tell them which one it is, and then it picks up all the form details from Aweber automatically, and then you basically complete the details of what you want your form to look like. So over here you can see what mine looks like. You can do the update preview by changing what you want to change in here, and you get an update of it over here. And there's lots of good things where you can change the background color, the border color. So if I change the background color, let's change it here for a minute. I won't save it, but up pops a little color. If I change it to let's change it to that color there, you can see over here that it's actually changed, so you can see real time what it's going to look like if you was to save that. Now obviously I'm not going to save that. You can change the border colors, so this is the border color of the whole outside. Again, you can change it to all the different colors you want and that sort of thing. And then you've got another button here saying more customization, so you can now come down and say, okay, these are my opt-in fields, name and email, and you can actually format them as well. So you can have a different font, you can bold it, underline it, size it, and you can have a color of the text, you can have a background color of the area, you can have a border color, etc., etc. So there's lots and lots of different things you can do to change your form and how it looks and how it feels. And then over here you basically check the boxes where you actually want to place the form. So here you can post it, click the box and put it within a post. Here you can say within a single post, which is what I'm doing. I've got it down the bottom. You can put it at the top, at the bottom, top of the first post, bottom of the last post, and you can click all of these if you wanted to. It might look a bit over too much, but I've just got it within the single post at the bottom. And then here you've got the sidebar widget. So if you click this button here, it then will take you over to your widgets, opens up a new page, opens up the widgets, and you'll see that I've just included the widget, and it's all automatic. The widget's created, so I've got it here. So this is the Max Blog Press subscribers magnet, and you basically, it picks it all up. And again, if you want to change it, and you can change the formatting and more customization, i.e. the borders and all that sort of stuff. So if I change the let me change something here, and if I change the border color to, or if I click the button, it'd be easier rather than remembering a hex number. So if I click the palette, I can change it to, let me change it to green, and then you can see that the border of the name and email area has changed to green, so you can see that there. So it's really easy to play with. If I shut that box down, because it opens up a new box, and then here you can do your pop in, you can do your footer pop up, you can subscribers, so if they comment, you basically check a box to say if you're making a comment, then here I've got here, so check box at the bottom of the comment form. So this is basically what I'm saying. If I go over to the blog post here, you can see that this bit here at the bottom of the blog post, this bit here, check the box to receive my free multimedia blogging guide. That's created by me just clicking on that button there. So if I unclick that, go back to the blog post and refresh, you'll see that it actually will go, and it's all automatic. You don't have to do any work. Once you've set your form up, it's all automatic. So you can see that that's gone. There's nothing there now. Oh no, it's still there. I wonder if that's, did I save? I don't think I saved. So I'm going to save that and then do a refresh again. My mistake. See how easy it is to make a mistake when you guys are all watching me? So just want to make sure that that finishes. My internet goes really slow when I'm on the video. So if I do a refresh this time, hopefully the box is gone, and it was because I didn't save. If I scroll down, and the live date is soon, so if you want to get in early and be one of the ones who gets the early discount, because I know Part 1's going to offer an early discount for the first X number of people, or for a particular time span, then you might want to sign up now and then get informed when it goes live and when it's available. If you just click on the link in this video, and speak to you all very, very soon. All the best. Bye bye.